Dear students, now we are going to discuss the points raised by Bertrand Russell on the last page of his essay. Now, here Russell is directly addressing the newly independent people of Asia and is giving them a valuable piece of advice, also their future course of life. He points out that now, when the world is divided into two rival blocs filled with bitter enmity, it is certain that the big powers are not going to interfere in the political stability and economic progress of the Asian countries. Thus, the Asians would find it easy to safeguard their freedom. But it is also feared that once they rise as a great power, they can develop a desire to exploit the backward people and threaten the independence of Europe. The author also believes that those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. Russell also supports democracy and gives his valuable piece of advice to the new democracies of Asia that how they should use their power of science and technology in a positive way. He desires that after becoming free, Asians have to play a positive role. They have to use their power to contribute to the happiness and promote the cause of justice in the world. The author hopes that the East will learn from the mistakes of the West and will help the poor and backward in their freedom and progress rather than exploit them for their selfish purposes. Russell also hopes that Asia will prove this through their own examples that unless nations, rich and poor, learn to respect each other, there can be no peace and happiness in the world. The author believes that to keep a lamp burning, we have to keep putting oil in it.